Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades, specifically tailored for your Apple devices. Introducing the Adamanta 64GB, 2x32GB, memory upgrade, designed to turbocharge your 2020 Apple iMac 27-inch with Retina 5K display, 2019 Apple iMac 27 with Retina 5K display, and the 2018 Apple Mac Mini. Let's talk specs. This upgrade boasts DDR4 2666 MHz non-parity non-ECC unbuffered SATA memory, ensuring seamless performance and lightning-fast data processing. With a dual-rank module and a capacity of 64 GB, you're guaranteed an unparalleled multitasking experience, whether you're a creative professional or a hardcore gamer. But what about compatibility? Fear not. This memory upgrade is fully compatible with the early 2019 27-inch iMac with Retina 5K display, model ID 19.1, featuring various processor configurations from i5 to i9. Additionally, it seamlessly integrates with the late 2018 Mac Mini, model ID, Mac Mini 8.1, accommodating the i3, i5, and i7 processors. What sets Adamanta apart is their commitment to quality. Each module undergoes rigorous testing by experienced technicians, ensuring reliability and performance excellence. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. Installation is a breeze, thanks to Adamanta's user-friendly design. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, you'll have your new memory up and running in no time. And with free technical support from Adamanta's experts, assistance is just a call away. In conclusion, the Adamanta 64GB memory upgrade is a game-changer for Apple enthusiasts seeking to elevate their computing experience. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking, immersive gaming, and efficient workflows. Upgrade your Apple device today and unlock its full potential with Adamanta. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.